Hello guys, looks like I got new toy, and I believe this toy is after recent Amazon Prime days overwhelms people homes big time. So I ordered it probably a week ago, and a few days it was just sitting in the box doing nothing, and I didn't have a chance to actually review it. So here is Echo Show 5 from Amazon, and this is, I think, recent addition to their fleet of Echo devices, and this is voice control device, and this is obviously a Amazon's Echo which has a screen. During Prime days it was on a good deal, and I decided to go for it. I never actually use any of the Echo devices or anything from Amazon, so hey, I decided to give it a shot. At the same time, we're obviously gonna do some sort of tear down on it, whatever is possible. So, but first of all, before I destroy it, potentially destroy it, let's do actually unboxing and take a look what it is and see what kind of features it has and blah blah blah. In this obviously nice box and all. I don't even need the knife here. I thought it's all, I just need a little bit of, oh my god, this is strong tape. I'm gonna destroy it. Okay, it's actually pretty hefty. I thought this is gonna be lighter than that, so I feel, unless there is a power supply inside, I feel the bulk of it. And yeah, look at this, boom. Again, make it a little bit wide angle-y. So obviously many of you know what this Echo device from Amazon is, but quickly, it is voice assistant thing similar to Google Home Mini, and you talk to it, it does the things, and you know, and things like that. So what it can do, it support English and curious and probably support two languages. Alexa can show you things, control the smart home, hand-free video calling and messaging. This is all neat and dandy. So what it has Bluetooth, has Alexa, has Bluetooth, has Wi-Fi. Bluetooth, by the way, is pretty cool. Audio line out, which is awesome actually. So remember those people who were asking me about how to hack Google Home Mini to have audio line out? Yeah, this thing is out of the box, and it has built-in camera. So it's for all those features, it's actually pretty cool device. It's essentially like a tiny smartphone. Imagine those like cheesy smartphones or simple smartphones from companies like Nokia, like Nokia something 2, I don't remember, 2.2. They are inexpensive Nokia phones. Imagine this technically can do the same, or Nokia can be as Echo Show, I guess, providing they are running the same OS. Curious what this OS is based upon. Like, high likely it is Android. I don't think they can use anything else, but we will figure this out. And obviously has nothing about Android listed anywhere here. So explore skills including blah 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 blah. Air Canada, jeez, I love Air Canada. Not. And hey, look at this. They actually, I don't know if you see it. Seems like, no, it's just a part of a sticker. Never mind then. Cool, it has Skype support. Kind of like it, but doesn't mention Microsoft in any way here. No, weird. What's included? Included in Amazon Echo Show 5 and a power adapter, which is cool. But I suspect if they do it, they don't use micro USB for that. Ta-dam, dum dum dum. Okay, here we. Oh, just like that. So look at that. This thing just sits here. Oh my god, this is too dark. It's very nice and shiny black. Let me add a little bit more light. Okay, so opening box right away, just on top you have this toy. And it's pretty beefy. It's pretty beefy. Actually, I thought it's gonna be lighter. Interesting. Curious what's make it so beefy. It actually has micro USB. Probably speakers, like speakers. I don't know. I don't think you have to have anything heavier than that. But unless they added weight purposely, just to make sure it doesn't like tumble and fumble around. But it clearly has some weight in it, and I don't know, I don't think it's like cell phone capabilities kind of device. I don't think it have to, unless it's a speaker driver, it's so heavy, but I think they added weight on purpose. Okay, let's see what else in the box. Let's put this little guy, no, not little, really, guy to the side. Okay, have so power brick, Amazon branded, as you see, power brick, and it has barrel connector. It's like 4mm barrel connector, something to this extent. 15 watts, which is okay. 12 volt, 1.25 amp. I'm totally looking forward to open this guy up. I love opening power supplies, but I think it can be just kind of regular power supply. There is some kind of user manual, very simple. Some, oh yeah, it's like foldable like this, like. And what's this? EchoShow 5. It's another user manual. I'm not sure why 2. Is it French or something? Yes, it is. So there are 2 languages, but I thought this one is French too. Weird. This is already in 2 languages. What about this one? Oh, it's a warranty, legal, and things like that. Okay, cool. Anyways, paper stuff, nothing else is here. Empty. Okay, but I like the box. Simple and neat. Okay, power supply. That's cool. And the device itself. As I mentioned already, it feels pretty hefty. So let's... Oh wow, what the hell is that supposed to mean? Have to like moment of unboxing and unwrapping something which is nice and shiny. Let me smell this thing. I wanna smell it. Probably smells like Amazon warehouse. I remember smell from my dad's printing house. It was kind of cool smell. It smelled like a fresh paint or fresh newspaper. But I'm not sure how Amazon warehouse. Let me sniff it. Doesn't have any smell at all. Okay, let me sniff this guy. Oh, whew, it smells like plastic. I don't like this. But anyways, so it's I kind of like it. It's like as if you put your cell phone on a stand angled towards you. So here there is a camera. I'm not sure what kind of camera features resolution it is, but that's all I see around here. I'm already trying to peel out this rubbery thing to see if there are any screw, but that's I'm running too far ahead of myself. So like it so far, nice and black. I wish it was sort of any other funky colors, let's say coral, like I have Google Home Mini, one of. Yeah, okay, so what do we have here? So first of all, there is a screen. Screen is 5.5 inches with pretty heavy bezel around here. Bezel, and it totally reminds me of BlackBerry Playbook, which had pretty hefty bezel. Camera, that's it. So top, there is a, looks like there is a, oh yeah, look at this, there is a, you can close the camera, so it's like a privacy button, check. Volume buttons, I assume, and I'm not sure what is this. Is it power or it's mute microphone? There's 2 holes over here. I assume those are microphone holes. That would be my wild guess. And in the bottom there is a grill, and this grill probably is one of the kind of for speakers. And curious how this is a nice and mesh surface around here, which is nice to detach, and I'm curious where are the speakers situated around here, because I don't believe it can be just have any speakers around this way, so they should be around. Curious also what's the sound quality and if this guy is stereo, because Google Home Mini is mono and it has even mono chip inside, so never gonna be stereo. Okay, on the back side you have power, micro USB and line out, which is amazing because many people were asking for that. I have Amazon Prime subscription, so I would be able to just ask, hey, can you play Scorpions, for example, and things like that. Okay, let's take a look at the power supply. Power supply is quite hefty brick. I thought it's gonna be smaller, like I don't know why. Well, 15 watts, it's That's not too much. It's not too crazy. Pretty much any micro USB can do it. You know, 3 amp, whatever, no big deal. 5 volts, 3 amp. But they decided to go with 12 because obviously power losses will be much lower and higher voltage. Well, maybe they had other reasons, but that would be my guess. Okay, let me check how long is the cable. The cord, I meant to say, it's probably around, oops, hit the camera, roughly 1 meter long, which is good enough. But I would, sometime you wanted to have longer, providing where do you have your power outlet. So what's left here? Well, whatever else we can do is just to power it up and to see how easy it is to set this little baby. Okay, so let's plug this baby in. I'm gonna put this guy off screen, we don't need it. And the cord just right here. Okay, so let's see what's happened. I see nothing. Oh, okay, there is Amazon. Oh, it's barely seen. How about that? That's a little bit more light. It's gonna take some time to boot. Oh, I'm so curious to know what's inside. What kind of goodies this thing runs? I guess I have to provide the Wi-Fi stuff. Oh, sounds interesting. Okay, well, it takes some time, I guess. Getting your device online. Oh, 2 languages, nice. How can you get my device online? Like, you don't know my password. Scanning or something. English, please.
Hello. Ready for setup?
Yes, I am. How many? Oh my god, this is like tons of stuff. Oh, the market trends. What's this? Alright, let me off screen put my password. Oh, there is a nice on-screen keyboard. Check this out. It's pretty cool. Done. And save, like asking me about saving password to Amazon. What the hell that's supposed to mean? No, I don't know, whatever. Connecting, it's connecting. I know what's gonna happen now. Hope I type my password right, because I kind of get used to typing it via the keyboard and usually do it pretty fast, not even looking at it. But when you use the cell phone, sometimes like, oh, what? Yes, I do have my account, but I forgot the password. Oh. Now we have EchoShow 5 updated to the latest software, and also I installed Amazon Alexa application on the phone. So let's try to add EchoShow 5 into the application. I thought it's going to be done automatically because this guy already connected, but no, didn't happen. Okay, add device and Amazon Echo. Oh, okay, it's here. Okay, well, it says try Alexa. Alexa, what is the extended forecast?
I don't know your location. For the future, you can go to the Alexa app settings and enter the complete address for your device. For now, weather for what city?
For Toronto.
AccuWeather is not available right now. Try again later.
Yeah, that's a bummer. Alexa, what's happening in the world?
Where should I get your news from? You can say something like CTV News, CBC News, Global News Canada, or CNN.
CBC News.
From CBC News.
The Mounties refocused
Oh,
their
it's actually
search for a
showing
pair of
news.
teenage
Oh, I see.
fugitives. Heavily armed tactical units are now combing through the area around another northern Manitoba community.
Anyways,
after a reported
Alexa,
sighting.
stop. Okay, this is pretty much it. As far as basic setup goes. Now, what can we do with the device? So as I understand, device can do show you news, show you weather and other. There is such a concept as skills in Echo, in world of Amazon Echo, and those skills, as I understand, they can be added on demand by user. And for example, I don't know how would I exit out of here. Okay. So I need to learn more about discover Alexa, take a photo, play children music. Very nice. Video, smart home. So that was setup of Amazon Echo Show 5. It was super easy, I think, and essentially I didn't even have to do anything on the phone. It added itself automatically. So now I have control over this device on phone, and it actually perfectly works pretty much out of the box. And so let's take a look about some user interface features. Over here on the top we have volume buttons. As you see, it adjusts volume, and there is a microphone or camera and camera off. So essentially it's shut down the microphones and cameras, and there is also this sort of buttons. Camera shutter closes. Understand it closes the camera for your security, and obviously you won't be able to take any photo or video, and it knows about it. So let's it's actually, I see, that's how it looks like. Okay, and on. Camera on. I really like the device. Setup was very easy, pretty straightforward. Device added yourself into the application once I logged in, so I didn't even have to do anything on the application side. I still have to learn the user interface and how Amazon Echo devices work, because this is very first device I actually holding in my hand, which is powered by Alexa and Amazon, like from Amazon, powered by Alexa. You see, I have to make sure not to say Alexa, and but they still have to figure out the user interface, what it can do. There are, for example, skills user can add and figure out how those works and things like that. But as far as quick unboxing and quick setup, this is perfect.
Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.